Solano Community College Alternate Media and Access Technology presents an introduction to Sonocent Link. In this video, I'm going to go over how to use Sonocent Link. This is an app for mobile devices using Android or iOS, and it's intended by Sonocent to be a companion app for the desktop computer version. Some students find that it's more helpful to use this as the primary version of Sonocent, just depending on what devices they have and how easy it is to use in class. Unfortunately, the mobile version of this does not allow me to do a screen recording while I'm also using Sonocent, so I'm only going to be able to show you how this works using screen captures. So this is what the home screen looks like on Sonocent Link. At the very top we have a big green record button, and that's what you're going to hit first when you get to class. When I do that, it opens a blank Sonocent document. Across the top we have the same audio recording bars that we have on the computer version, and on the right side we have the same different colored highlighters. We have red for important, blue for review, green for task, yellow for delete, and gray for summary. If I go back to the home page, I can actually open up settings and customize these different colors depending on what I need to use them for. So just like on the PC version, in the middle here I do have a section that I can type notes. So if I want to type notes to myself just as I would write them in class, I'm able to do that. The big difference between Sonocent Link and the PC version is that I'm not able to import PowerPoint slides on this one. What I have instead are these options on the left. So if I slide the whole thing to the right, I'm able to tap to take a photo, I can add an image that I've already taken, or I can use this new scribble feature. The scribble feature is pretty nice if you're using an iPad or a tablet specifically, because you have this nice big area to draw. So if I'm taking a math class and I need to quickly scribble out a circle and represent the diameter of that circle, I'm able to do that. When I go back, it saves it there in my notes right alongside the recording. This little white button in the upper right hand corner, right below the battery percentage, is where I tap to start a new section. So when I do that, you'll see it shows me section 2. That gives me a blank slate for typed notes as well as a blank slate for imported photos or scribbles. If I want to, I can instead use the camera or photo import buttons in the bottom left-hand corner, and that will allow me to import photos directly while still recording. When I'm done recording, I'm going to hit stop. Then I'm going to choose close in the upper left-hand corner. It's going to ask me to title and save this recording. Then I'll hit save. I'll tap done, and it's going to take me back to the home page, and there's my recording listed right there at the top. So if I want to transfer this to my computer, I have a few options. The first is this transfer section to the right of the big green record button. If I click on that, that will show me a 4-digit code that I'll then be able to pop into the transfer section on the PC Sonocent. Some students have a hard time with this, especially on campus. We have a lot of security measures on our Wi-Fi here that don't allow the transferring to be successful a lot of the time. So what I recommend is, instead of going there, clicking on the little down arrow on the right side of the recording itself. This will give me a few options. I can edit the recording info, rename it, things like that. I can share it or I can delete it. I'm going to choose the share option, and it gives me several apps to choose from, including email, Google Drive, or I can even upload the file directly to Canvas. It just depends on what you want to do with the file. Once you've emailed it to yourself, you can use it just like any other file. Download it to your PC and open it in Sonocent. You can also reopen any of these recordings right here on your iPad and study from there. Sonocent Link is a really helpful tool if you have a mobile device that will use it well. For more instructional videos and additional information on Access Technology, visit solano.edu/DSP. For more instructional videos and additional information on Access Technology, visit solano.edu/DSP.